Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Now I will show you how to fix Instagram that does not work on iPhone or iPad. If you have any problems or have errors, crashes, and so on with the Instagram application, then I will show you how to solve and fix it. Write me if my solution helped you, if it worked for you. If you still have questions, please let me know below in the comments, and I will definitely read and answer. Please subscribe to the channel. Put likes. Let's get started. The first way. If you go to Instagram, it will crash. You need to delete this app. Click Remove App. Delete app. The second way is to go to the Apple Store and update your Instagram. Maybe you had an old version and a new version came. Then you need to click Update and update this application. As you can see now, I have. Another way is that maybe there is a glitch in the Instagram application. Maybe it updates itself. The developers add something there. And so we cannot go in maybe 10 to 15 minutes, maybe an hour. So you have to wait a little bit, and then we can get in. One more way. We put the curtain down. We'll go into airplane mode. We turn off Wi-Fi for about 10 seconds. After that, we turn off airplane mode and try to log in. One more way, we go to the settings. Further, when we go to the settings, we have to scroll down. Open the General tab, iPhone storage, and here find Instagram. Next, we need to click Unload the application. Thus, all our data and memory all will remain. We unload the application. After that, re-download it, and we can use safely without any problems our application Instagram. This is how you can easily fix the application Instagram, which does not work on the iPhone or iPad. If you liked this video, write whether my solution helped you. It worked like this. If there are any questions left, also let me know below in the comments, and I will be sure to read and answer. Please subscribe to the channel. Put likes. Goodbye.